I'm Nick from DaiLo restaurant in Toronto, and today I'm making a grilled sambal fish. So first I'm going to do the fish. So I've got a trout. When you're using ingredients, try and use the freshest ingredients possible. What you want to do is clean this up. We're going to get some sambal. Get a good amount. I've got some XO. I've got some shrimp paste here. And this will give it that nice kind of little bit funk that you get in a lot of sambals. I love fish sauce because it gives it a great perfect amount of seasoning. And a little bit of palm sugar syrup. Just to get it a little bit sweetened and kind of find that nice balance of flavor. We're gonna take our fish, we're gonna give it some scores. So just score it all the way down, right to the bone. And then we're gonna marinate it all over. So give it a good scoop on the front, cavity. And I'm also just gonna throw a few kind of cut aromatics inside the carcass. All right, you can just rip up and throw it in there. Same with all these things, right? Just mix them all around, throw it in the carcass. This is gonna make all the flavors of the fish really kind of come out. It's gonna be great. It's gonna really pop. And right here we have some banana leaf, right? These you can get in any Asian market. They are amazing to grow with. So wrap it like that. Pull it over. All right. And then we'll tie it up as well. Okay, now we're gonna just put it on the Weber grill, about 400, 450. And we're just gonna let that go. Okay, so we're just gonna flip this guy over, right? You can smell it already, it's really beautiful. A couple more minutes and that guy's done. Right? Cut the end string off and just cut it all the way down. Look at that.
Oh, that's perfect.
All right, that's beautiful. You can see all the juice, right? And green onion. Just gonna throw on top. Some chili. And I'm gonna just finish this off with some crispy onion and garlic.